What's up,
guys?
I'm here with my cousin Leon again, and today
it's number 2 of the 3 a.m.
Yeah, it's 3 a.m. right now. Everyone's still awake for some reason.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a fidget cube at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
We're really creeped out right now because if you haven't watched our last video with my cousin visiting part 2, where
Do you see that? Do you see that?
Yeah, the teddy has been haunting us, so we're freaked out.
I think I just saw something.
I literally was crying.
I think I know.
It scares me.
I think I just saw something.
So let's see.
Man, seriously, I just saw something peek through the door.
Yeah, that was Shazoo. He was just saying bye. So let's just keep playing around. Guys, what's going on? No way. Quick.
Shazoo,
quick,
what
run.
the heck are you doing?
Get back. Come on.
So what we're doing?
So creepy. I've been playing with this. Come on, I'm playing with the fidget spinner.
Wait, what's there?
Oh my god, guys.
Frick! Freaking take your booty, Mom, I'll hit you.
Oh my god, guys. There is an angry bird in the window. Oh my god, this is scary. Why is it all the teddies have to attack us?
Poop face.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
I made a mistake with all
Slip
that.
to death right now. All of them.
Oh man, I'm scared to death, son. What the hell? This is nothing here.
Ask him, that's me. I know.
Okay, at least there's nothing else. Oh jeez!
Oh god!
Oh my god, this
Did you see that?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm scared. Please pray for me. Like and subscribe, and peace. Bye.